Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wise for cross-border insurance payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Choose whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. For a personal account, select Personal. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Next, click Continue to proceed to the next step. You will be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Wise. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Wise website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you will need to provide some personal details. Fill in your full name, date of birth, and address information. Next, provide your phone number for additional security verification. You will receive a code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your phone number. Now, it's time to add your payment method. Navigate to the Balances section and select Add a currency. Choose the currency you wish to convert for. Follow the prompts to add your payment method, either a bank account or a debit card. Once your payment method is linked, you can fund your Wise account. Click on Add Funds and select the desired amount. Choose your payment method and confirm the transaction. After funding your account, it's time to set up your insurance payments. In the Payments section, select Send Money. Enter the recipient's details, including their name and bank account information. Choose the amount you wish to send and select the currency. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is. Click Continue to proceed with the transfer. Finally, confirm the payment to complete the transaction. Your cross-border insurance payment is now on its way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.